WooFDriver and dogs only dream of where their soul is always free. Open spaces, endless running fills their dreams fun as can be. As their instinct flows through their paws, all the times they so love to haul comes from natural needing to chase and feed. These seated feelings are a dog's deal. To see this place where barking loud is good. Can't wait until you see their face and feel their passion sealed. It's up to you to let them unleash this wild side and to jive. For you have to love, believe and feel before the joy of those canines take you there. WooFDriver and canines forever. Endless fun and dog runs together. Found places we can explore this, as all of us so just so adore it. WooFDriver and canines. Feeling free, get your dog and take his dream. When you do believe in me, this will be your key. Find a guide, a way to fly, for their urge to ride. This will be the reason amongst the bonding and the love that defines you as one. WooFDriver and canines forever. Endless fun and dog runs together. Found places we can explore this, as all of us so just so adore.